up, babes, and welcome back to my channel. Hello, hi, my name is Brittany Lachelle, and here on my channel I show you how to slay your hair at home easy. So if you would like to see a slay at home, you ain't gotta go to no salon, ain't gotta worry about going to go sit in somebody's chair for 3 hours when you could be doing so many other things. Stay tuned. If you are returning, what's up, babe? Welcome back, welcome back. And if you are new, drop me some comments as well, because I love interacting and engaging in my comment. Excuse how extra I'm being right now, if I'm extra, if I'm talking fast. Today is my birthday.
Basically, in 40 minutes, so wrap it.
So anyways, y'all, I just wanted to come on here and say happy birthday to my damn self. Take a shot for my damn self. I already took a shot, so I ain't gonna take another one. But I'm gonna be showing you guys how I achieved this birthday hairstyle, y'all. This would have taken me less than an hour or two to do had I not been running my mouth. But I'm gonna show y'all how I got this look super easy at home. Like, y'all, this came out it came out so cute, and it's so easy and simple. I'm gonna tell you guys all about the style and how to do it, all the products, and if you guys want details about the hair, I mean, the proof is in the pudding. Hair is from Vivify Hair Studios, which is my hair company that I own, I sourced. I've been birthing, like I have been pregnant with this baby for some time. But yes, y'all, this is my hair company, so you know it's high quality bundles that's gonna last, bundles that's gonna be able to dye, bundles you can curl, you can straighten, all that good stuff, bundles that's gonna last you a year plus with proper care. Yes, y'all, and this is 3 bundles, or this is like 2.5 bundles of 16 inches, all 16 inches that I put in. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how to do this from start to finish, so make sure y'all stay tuned and all that good stuff. All the information is gonna be in the description box below. I love you all, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Get to know me, tapping into that good energy. And I'm all for something carefree. Pour a drink, have a seat next to me. Yeah. Touching my skin, got us both wanting more. Breath on my neck, got my clothes all over the floor. Can we just start the plan? No more holding back. Done with waiting, got me feeling like a queen. Like your lady, will you love me like that, like that, like that? Yeah, baby, can you stop hesitating? No more second thoughts. Stop delaying, got me feeling like a queen. Like your lady, will you love me like that? Will you love like that? Will you love it? Will you love like that? Will you love it on me like that? Will you love like that? Will you love it on me like that? Will you love like that? You're like 24 karat. Baby, I'ma let you hold me, let you see the hidden side that no one sees. Keep it low key, we'll make it no apology. Cause you had a gun, now you don't. My man, let me, I'm all alone. Way better not like Post Malone. For me, it's Japan, just like honey, like each other. You're so yummy, yeah. Touching my skin, got us both wanting more. Breath on my neck, got my clothes all over the floor. Now, can we just start the plan? No more holding back. Done with waiting, got me feeling like a queen. Like your lady, will you love me like that, like that, like that? Yeah, baby, can you stop hesitating? No more second thoughts. Stop delaying, got me feeling like a queen. Like
Alright babes, so let's get started on hair. As you can see, I have my hair sectioned off into 2 sections. The front, which is what I'm going to use for my ponytail, and the back, which is going to be braided up and tucked away like you saw there. And some of the products that we are going to need all can be found at your local beauty supply store, or in my description box I will have links. This product is mandatory. Do not add glue or any type of quick weave style without it. It's going to protect your hair and save your hair from any damage from the glue when it comes time to take this down. And of course, you're going to need your Got To Be Glued blasting free spray. This is optional. I like to use both because I care about my hair. Some combs, edge brush, scissors, this Blackberries beeswax, a wig cap, and of course your 30-second Pro hair bonding glue. Again, all found at your local beauty supply store. So jumping right into getting started with the install, I'm going to go ahead and add my stocking cap. And I'm going to pull my stocking cap down all the way as if I'm doing a ball cap method for a frontal or for a wig. But if you're not familiar with that, you can just watch the video and do as I show you. Next, you're going to go ahead and get your first bundle. If you are using bundles and you have different lengths, you want to make sure you use the longest length first. I have all 3 bundles of 16 inches, so I'm starting whatever bundle that I want. I am using 3 bundles of Brazilian Bodywave from Vivify Hair Studios, and all the information on this hair will be listed down below. Vivify Hair Studios does offer Klarna, Sezzle, ShopPay, PayPal, so you can split those payments up, girl. You don't got to worry about paying all that money today. You can pay amount today and get your hair and pay the rest later. So first, we're going to go ahead and spray down our entire back of our head with this Got To Be blasting spray. This is just going to help adhere our cap to our head and make it stick. And it's also going to act as a layer of protection from your hair, you know, being protected from the glue. My quick weaves are 100% protective quick weaves, so no glue is getting on your hair at all. So now we're going to go in to add on our final layer of protection, what is the ultimate layer, and this is the Weave Wonder Wrap Grow Protecting Solution, Glue Protecting Solution, whatever you want to call it. There's a number of names for it, and there's 2 brands that I know of. We're going to get that and put that on with an applicator brush, and then you want to go in and let that dry with the dryer. You want to let it get hard and get, you know, completely dry, and then go in and cut that excess cap. And as you can see, the cap ain't going nowhere. So as long as you let your hair completely dry, you shouldn't have to worry about the cap rolling back. Once you get that cap taken off, then you're going to go ahead and reveal your leave out, and then you can begin going ahead laying down your extensions. And you already, guys, if you are returning, you already know how I do with my extensions when I lay them. You literally just want to take your weft, your bundle, measure it out from nape to nape, or one side of your neck to the other side, and cut it, add your glue, and then stick it on. And I'm gonna let the video play out so you guys can see what I'm doing.
That's what's always hard for me. I get hooked on like the same way of doing it.
I probably broke your heart the moment we met. Don't you understand the way I move is not a flex? It's how I move, baby girl, I take steps. Tiptoe, it's how you know. Take my time. Everything's fine on my side. Everything's fine.
always hard for me. I get hooked on like the same way of doing it.
Today is actually the day I'm recording this. Today is my birthday. Go ahead and drop me a comment and tell me happy birthday, Brittany! Say something. Absolutely loving my hair so far. I ain't done yet, y'all. Like, I haven't even curled, you know, curls or nothing. Okay, babes, so now we're gonna get into this top part, which is the most important part, obviously. I like to work in sections when I do the top part. My hair is 100% natural, and it was straightened, and I mean, it wasn't straightened, it was just blow dried out with the blow dryer. And I'm just going in with some of that black beeswax and just putting that in all on my perimeter and edges to get them nice and sleek, and then going in with a hard bristle brush to smooth the product throughout my hair. And then you see me going in sections and adding product in between those sections so I can make sure that this part of the ponytail is as flat and sleek as I possibly can get it, because I want it to blend and match perfectly with my hair extensions, which it will, because my hair is 100% virgin Brazilian hair. So we all know that Brazilian hair matches very, very well with African American texture hair. So don't forget to check me out. I am offering 20% off of all orders, so go ahead and check the link, y'all. But you want to continue just do that process on both sides of your head until the ponytail gets flat and smooth.
That's what's always hard for me. I get hooked on like the same way of doing it.
I probably broke your heart the moment we met. Don't you understand the way I move is not a flex? It's how I move, baby girl, I take steps. Tiptoe, it's how you know. Take my time. Everything's fine on my side. Everything's fine. Everything's fine on my side.
All right, and now we're gonna go in with our next product, which is just a got to be glued freeze blasting spray. Gosh, that name is long. And I'm gonna spray that on to my, leave out in sections. As you can see, I'm just literally spraying it in certain spots and then taking my finger and smoothing it in. And you want to work in sections because it's gonna give you the ultimate sleekage. So using the spray is gonna make sure that your hairstyle don't move, pretty much. Make sure it don't go nowhere, so you can wear it for a few days.
Yeah, I stay to myself. I do it for my mental health. Don't know what else to do. Everything's fine on my side. Everything's fine. Everything's fine on my side. You don't gotta worry, I'll be fine.
Boy, you too crazy.
You changed me, you changed me.
You changed me, you changed me.
You changed me. I'm sliding through the night, I'm out in Richmond. You should come out to the bay, spend some time. I promise I've been on my best behavior. I've been drinking, I'm trying to get it on. You spend all your nights in the house, you know I understand. You know what it's like to lose a life, and I understand. You've been keeping to yourself until I found you. Girl, come over, I'm trying to get it on.
I need you.
You changed me, you changed me, yeah.
I need you.
You changed me, yeah.
I need
Spent so many nights with different women. Understand, I'm not that man no more, I promise.
crazy.
You changed me, you changed me.
You change me, you change me.
You changed me. I'm sliding through the night, I'm out in Richmond. You should come out to the bay, spend some time. I promise I've been on my best behavior. I've been drinking, I'm trying to get it on. You spend all your nights in the house, you know I understand. You know what it's like to lose a life, and I understand. You've been keeping to yourself until I found you. Girl, come over, I'm trying to get it on.
I need you.
You changed me, you changed me, yeah.
I need you.
You changed me, yeah.
I need.
And this pretty much wraps up the look, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful. Drop me some comments down below and let me know if it was helpful and if you enjoyed the slay. And I hope to see you in the next one. Don't forget to stay beautiful, stay blessed, and check out the description box for all of the information on the hair and all the products used. Love y'all.